Ever wondered if you can easily top up your Wise account with a prepaid card? Let's dive in. While Wise is fantastic for international money transfers, using prepaid cards directly for funding can be a bit tricky and often isn't the most straightforward method. Wise typically prefers more direct funding sources like bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards linked to your bank account. This is mainly due to security protocols and the way prepaid cards function. They might not always be recognized as a standard payment method by Wise, especially for initiating transfers or topping up your balance. So, what are your best options if you have prepaid funds? Your most reliable approach is to first load your prepaid card onto a debit or credit card that is directly linked to your bank account. Then, you can use that debit or credit card to fund your Wise account. Alternatively, consider withdrawing the funds from your prepaid card at an ATM if possible, and then depositing those funds into your regular bank account. From there, you can easily and directly fund your Wise transactions or account using a standard bank transfer. Always check the specific terms and conditions of your prepaid card provider regarding ATM withdrawals or transfers to bank accounts, as fees may apply. For the most seamless experience and to ensure compliance with Wise's policies, sticking to direct debit, credit card, or bank transfer methods is usually the way to go. This ensures your transactions are secure and processed without any hitches. Happy transferring with Wise.